Away, my country people, wonder shall never end. Make una come see where Nigeria police they live. No be small thing, no. How we dey reach here? Before we go touch like this matter, I first greet una. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Based on where you are watching me from, if you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you tell the across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, my country people. Una see this video so. Now this place, now in Nigeria police, they live on my country people. No be small suffer on my country people. Hey, things they happen. How we dey reach here? Even the police wives, the day here they talk say, now here now we dey live. Oga can't see roof, can't see everywhere. Muko, full wall, full everywhere. I was shocked to life. Wait to be this one. How we dey reach here? On a sea country when we did so. No be small thing. If Nigeria youth now come protest now, come they fight for police. You see them. They go come out, come they pursue the youth. They don't know say that they fight for them. Make una come see where they live. And they can never protest. Come talk waiting the eye they see. Come talk say see waiting with the face. So Nigeria governor, Nigeria president, Nigeria leaders, make una come do this thing for us. They no talk. See where they live. Make una come see barrack. I was shocked. I said, God, why you can't let me come from this side? I don't know why I'm from this country. I don't know at all. I don't know. I see this thing. I was shocked. Tears fall from my eye. I say, how we take waka reach here? I don't know. Nigeria police, I don't know. It be like say, I don't want to use this words. It be like say they don't know their right at all. If leaders not perform well, they not do well, make una chase them come on for that throne, make una chase them come on for that seat. Now una get that place. If they not do well, make una occupy that seat. I don't know why they treat una like this. They can't turn una to, I don't know as I want to describe her. Wait to be this one. See house don't for finish where Nigeria police they live, their wives, their children. Oh God. And they shame they talk say see country when I for come. Wait to be this one. May you not come be say I do talk for inside this video. Make una
see where our Nigeria police they stay. Make una see. How do you expect them to deliver? How? People where they take care of us, see where they stay. Just look. My people, make una see where Nigeria police they stay. Our politicians, our senators, police they get una, see where they stay. Look at building. Mona see where police they stay. Mona see where police they stay. See roof don't fall. Hey shit, man. The politician where they take care of. Mona see where police they stay. My people, Mona see. And they come in. Mona see where police they stay. My people, Mona see. And they guide all our politicians. Yes, Mona see. Make una see where police they stay. Make una see. Police deserve a better life. They not be animal. Police, they not be animal. Mona see. My people, Mona see. They go to guide our senators, House of Rep members. They go to guide politicians. Make una come see where police they stay. Police, they be human being. Mona see. Mona see where police they stay. People risking their life to take care of us. See where they stay. We go to sleep, but they know they feel sleep. Look at their houses. You can see them. This deck now go so far. This deck go so far. See where police they stay. Our senators, House of Rep members, make una come take care of them. They be human being. Police are human being too. They be human being. Mona see. Mona see. My Mona see house. Mona see where police they stay. Roof don't they throw away. How much be their salary? How much be their salary? How much be their salary? How much? They go buy uniform. Just look where they stay. Make una see. Make una see where police they stay. Kai. In this 21st century, now yep, our Nigeria police they stay. Ogida Barak. Make una see. Mona see. Make una see. Hey! Police, they not be goats now. They be human being. More good than that building. My pomona see where police they stay. My pomona see where police they stay. Oh. Police, they be human being. Police are human being. They go they gather the politicians, senators, House of Rep members, pastors, big pastors. Whether you put waye, that dignity, you build church, you donate, come build police station, come prepare where police they stay. Mona see. They could see where police they stay. Mona do. Oh. My Mona see Barako. Mona see where our police they stay. Make una see where our police they stay. So painful. Make una see where our police they stay. Police deserve a better life. Police, they are not animal. They deserve a better life. Make una see where our police they stay. In this 21st century, make una see where Nigeria police they stay. Una see am? How much be their salary? They go take care of their children. They go take care of their wife. They'll take care of their family. See where they see they stay. Government don't fit do anything. Wicked people. Make una see where police they stay. Make a show on everything. Wanna see where police they stay. See, building. Everything that they collapse. Police they inside. Police where they take care of us. Ah, Nigeria government. Nigeria government. Wanna see where police they stay. My people wanna see you. I dey cry this evening. Our senators, our House of Rep members, they go carry 5 mopo follow body, 20 mopo follow body, but yet where these police they stay, they don't care. They don't care. My people wanna see where police they stay. Human being they stay this place.
Thank you, God.
Ha! Police they be human being, they not be spirit. Waiting. And you go say me they not take bribe. How? Wanna see where police they stay. Oh, my people they stay in building. Police they be human being. They be human being. Police are human being. Police they are human being. They not be animal. They need to be taken care of. They need a better life. All those senators, House of Rep members, governors, senators, Buhari, all of them wanna come repair work for our police. Wanna see where police they stay. Kai! My people wanna see where police they stay. Hey, shit, man. Shit, man. Oh boy, Wageke police here. What a shame to our federal government. Shame on all of you. Shame. Shame on all our senators. House of Rep members, shame on all of you. Shame. Wanna see where police they stay. This is police barrack. Oh, when I remember Nigeria, water on our way, my yo. Aye. Water on our way, my eyes. My people wanna see where police they stay. Police are human beings. Police are human beings. You see the level where they don't reduce our police, the Nigerian police force to. And with the complaint say they know they perform. How can they perform? How can they perform? Look at this animal. You see me I go tell Obaseki, animal. Now Obaseki they control police. You're an animal. Will you get out from this place? Goat. Mona see where Nigeria police they stay. They are telling me I go tell Obaseki, animal. Now Obaseki they control Nigeria police away. Is the governor of the state. Will you get out from this place, Chika? What do you know? Now Obaseki they control police. My Pomona see where Nigeria police they stay. And how can they take care of their family? They get children. They don't get separate home. They don't get separate hospital. They don't get separate market. They don't get separate school. So what is now the role of the government? According to the 1999 Constitution, that the primary responsibility of the government is to provide security and welfare for the people. Even the people even the police also deserve a welfare. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? My people see where police they stay. This is how. Wanna see where police they stay. Hey, when I remember Nigeria, water on our way, my yo. Aye, aye, water run away my eyes. Oh, federal government has failed. Una fed the police. And una expect the police to get us well. How? Operational vehicle, una not buy for them. They go use their money for motor. They go use their money repair motor. Wicked government. They could not see. And election that they come now. Now police now still carry follow body me they get do now. Yeah, Mona see barrack, Mona see where people stay. Mona see where they stay. Even me, I know if you still sleep this guy house. Me, Apostle, I can't stay here. How? Mona see where police they stay. But senator they stay for better house. You can see. When I see the level where they can reduce the Nigeria police to. Mona see where police they stay. But meanwhile, my governor they stay for better houses. They get 20 mopo for compound. Mopo go get their wife, he go get their children, but the Mopo not get to the garden. Wicked leaders. Now me about this country. This country and everybody own. Oh, my people may not see. When I remember Nigeria, water on away my yo. Aye, aye, water on away my eyes. It don't fall. Oh. My people, when I see where police they stay, the building don't collapse, they go. There's some person go say, make I not talk. Mona see where police they stay. Mona see all the window, Mona see where police they stay.
We will go repair and the breeze go still carry out. See, we'll back to Bandru now. We'll repair this up. To Bandru now. We'll repair this up.
Ah, shit, man. Shit, man. My people wanna see where police they stay.
See this one where you go for.
Oh, the step there before.
See my step. See my step.
Oh, even step there before. Oh. My people wanna see you. Election go to corner.
They fought for years.
Wait, you're picking for years? Jesus Christ. No hands, nothing. Jehovah.
I said with the manager.
Jesus. Yeah, so they were very. Now that's on the call. Now this one will tell you, now so not try. Una go say, say, una work campaign. Any politician will work campaign, they go barrack. When I go build those buildings first. Because they be human being. They are not spirit. Una will work campaign, senator, governor, house of rep member. Before you will think of saying vote for me, go take care of where the police they stay first. Because they are human being. Mona see where police they stay. They know they sleep, they street, they guide us, but yet they are not being guided. My mama see you. Make una see where police they stay. But the police don't feel protest. They can't protest. If they protest, and before you know, they don't say sack. May God punish all of them. Evil leaders. Now me with you about this country. My mama see where police. Hey, wageo. My mama see where police they stay. This one a barrack. And you expect if the deck you want follow, but people still there. Where they want come go? They don't feel pay us rent. Us rent not here. We salary. They want to pay us rent. Ah! Oh God. Our leaders has failed. Our leaders has failed. And we go to complain. The police are taking bribe. Why would they not take bribe? How do they take care of themselves? How? How? They not get children. When I see where police they stay, the decking don't they fall.